Morning to all. Today we are going to discuss Unit 2 Spatial Data Model. The topic is Spatial Data Model Raster Data Structures. So the Spatial Data Models Raster Data Structures. The outcome of this topic is develop data model using GIS. The outcome of the CO2, PO1, PO3, PO5, PO6, PO9, then PSO1. The outcome of this topic develop data model using GIS. So the spatial data assess structures that does not necessarily fit with tabular structures. To construct a spatial object requires several table joins. Spatial indexing is a very different from the type of indexing used in a relational database. Spatial types: OGC, simple features, the geometry, spatial reference system, like a point, curve, line, straight. So see from here that diamond shaped, so it is a composed, and a triangle shape like a type, then line is like a relationship. So the standard GIS data model, so linked spatial and attributes table data, so the table with joined with the diagram, so like a point it will be represented into the map. So files based data model, geographic coordinate and attributes are stored in a separate but linked files. So arc like information. So coverage, so developed for workstation arc info 1980s, complex structures, proprietary format, and then attribute into information tables. Shapefile developed for ArcView 1993, simpler structures in public domain, attributes in database .dbf tables. So storing data, coverage and shapefile. Coverage main, countries MCD information, main countries.shape, countries.shx, countries.dbf, mcd.shp, mcd.shx, mcd.dbf. The coverage and shape files. Coverages are stored partially in their own folder and partially in the common info folder. Shape files are stored in 3 to 5 files with the extensions .shape, .shx, .dbf, .sbx and .spn. Coverages stores common boundaries between polygons only once to avoid redundancy. Shapefiles store all the geometry of each polygon regardless of redundancy. Coverage features are single lines or single polygons. Shapefiles allows features to have multiple disconnected, intersecting and overlapping components. Geodatabase model. The stores geographic coordinates as one attributes shape in a relational database table. Use MS Access for personal geodatabase single user. Use a file system for a file geodatabase. Use Oracle, Sybase, Increase or other commercial relational database for enterprise geodatabase. Many simultaneously uses. So there are some difference in queries between shapefiles and geodatabase. State name like miss in percentage in a geodatabase like the we can formulate it. So the ArcGIS geodatabase, number of user, multi-user, single user and small work group, single user. So key characteristic, Arc SDC, file geodatabase, personal geodatabase, storage format, Oracle, Microsoft SQL, server, IBM, DB2, IBM, Infomex. So each dataset is a separate file, Microsoft Access file. So versioning support, supported, not supported, not supported. So database administration tools, full DBMS function, file system management, Windows file system management. So the element of a geodatabase, geometric network, feature database, relationship classes. So the elements of a geodatabase, a geometric network, feature dataset, relationship classes, feature class, annotation classes, object classes. So through the database we can so this is the geometric network. Through the network, the feature datasets, these are the relationship classes, so these are the feature classes, annotation classes, these are the object classes. So the elements of a geodatabase: object classes, features, feature classes, feature datasets, validation rules, dominance, relationship classes, spatial references, geometric networks. So the assessment of the session, classify the spatial data model. These are the reference book. Thank you.